Hello again. So now that we've done this, our website kind of looks dull. It's just black and white text. We want to put some colors into it and just style it a little bit. So first of all, let's just change this into the website we're going to be building. So Aachen Penguin Gallery, and let's just write anything. Aachen's first Penguin Gallery, anything. All right. So let's see that this taking place. So simple. And also I want to note something. Spaces between tags doesn't make any difference. Okay, so if we save this, it still looks the same. All right, but to make it cleaner, I'm not going to put a lot of spaces. All right. So what if we want to put some styling to our website? So let's just save this first. By the way, I save quickly by clicking Control S at the same time. All right. So I'm going to make a new file, okay, and then I'm going to save it, and that's the folder that I created the website in. I'm going to create a new folder and then name it CSS. It's going to be the folder that holds all my style sheets. By the way, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. They're basically containers to write styles for your website. So let's go do the same thing, all files, and then name it anything. I usually like to go with main because it's going to contain all the main style sheets. Main styling for the website. So main.css, and I hope you understand the file extension logic now. So yeah, and then we click save, and there you go. You have an empty file. Let's just drag and drop this so that they're next to each other, and let's write something. All you do is, the syntax is kind of different. The way you write a CSS code is different than HTML. So H1, I'm going to say H1 tags. So any H1 tag, I want to give it the color, I don't know, blue, right? So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to refresh. Nothing happened. Why is this? Because we have to link the style sheet first. So we have to tell the HTML file, please look for your styles from this place, all right? So to do this, you're going to do something called link, and then you're going to say the location of the style sheet. So href means hypertext reference. It's just a hypertext, which means a link, and the reference to it is basically the link, okay? And then equals, and then double quotations, and then you write the location. So if we're in the same folder, you're just going to write CSS, which is the folder I just created, and then slash, and then the name of the file, which is main.css, okay? And then I'm going to say that the relation to the whole thing is that it's a style sheet, okay? So it's just the rule of writing the whole thing, okay? So now that I've written it, oh, by the way, links, they're not closed, okay? So you can just, if there are some things that are not closed, so you just put a slash at the end, okay? It's just HTML rules, you're gonna get used to them. Now if we save this, we're gonna see that. Now it looks blue, right? You can make it look red, it's going to turn red, and there are a lot of things. Of course I can't cover all of them, but we're going to cover some of them along our designing process. So font size, for example, I can pick 50 px. Px stands for pixels, and then I save this and it became 50 pixels. So these are CSS files and how you link them. And if you have any problems, please leave them in the comments, and see you in the next one.